Hey guys! Finally we got the new update of BITS Airdrop. BITS Airdrop listing date is a major event in the cryptocurrency world. The BITS Airdrop offers an exciting opportunity for crypto enthusiasts and players. It provides a chance to win real money. The airdrop will shake up the crypto world with thrilling rewards. Participants can earn free tokens through this event. Before that, this is my another YouTube channel and I'm your friend CryptoHook has brought a free giveaway for you in which you do not have to do anything to participate. You have to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel, and in the comment you have to tell, why do you want dollars? As soon as 300 likes are completed on this video, I will give you at least $30 to a random person here. The BITS Airdrop is a promotional event. Participants can earn BITS tokens by completing tasks. It's a great way to get involved in the BITS ecosystem. The airdrop is divided into several seasons. Each season has its own activities and rewards. The BITS airdrop listing date is when the tokens will officially be available for trading and interaction. Key dates in the BITS airdrop calendar. Understanding the BITS airdrop listing date is essential for maximizing your participation and rewards. Here's a breakdown of the airdrop schedule. Season 2 is on October 31st. The second airdrop is at the end of October. Reward details will be shared closer to the date. Season 3 in on November 30th. The third drop will occur in late November. Like the previous seasons, it will offer more rewards for active participants. Season 4 is on December 24th. It features a special listing drop. This event is the final season of the airdrop series. It will coincide with the official listing of the BITS token. How to participate in BITS Airdrop. Make the most of the BITS Airdrop. Follow a few simple steps. Here's how you can get started. Tap Play to get started. Access the BITS platform. Click the Play button to join the airdrop. Collect BITS tokens. You can collect BITS tokens every 3 hours. Regular participation will help you accumulate more tokens. Invite friends to the platform. Referring friends earns you additional bonuses. You will also get a percentage of their earnings. This referral system can significantly boost your rewards. Complete tasks. Engage in various tasks provided by the BITS platform. These tasks are designed to be simple and easy to complete. Increase your rating. As you gather more BITS tokens and complete tasks, your rating will improve. A higher rating can increase your chances of receiving more rewards. Watch the season timer closely. It helps ensure you don't miss any airdrop events. Each season has specific deadlines. Staying updated will help you secure your spot among the top participants. Why the BITS airdrop listing date matters. The BITS airdrop listing date is a key milestone in the airdrop series. Here's why it's important. Trading opportunities. The listing date marks when BITS tokens become available for trading. Knowing this date helps you plan your trading strategy. Price fluctuations. The price of BITS tokens may fluctuate once they start trading. Knowing the listing date helps you make informed decisions. It allows you to plan when to buy or sell your tokens. Maximize earnings. Accumulating tokens before the listing date can be beneficial if the token's value increases after it starts trading. This can potentially enhance your earnings. Excitement and engagement. The listing date often brings a lot of excitement and increased engagement. Participating actively in the lead-up to the listing can enhance your overall experience and rewards. The BITS airdrop listing date is an important event for anyone involved in the airdrop. It offers a chance to earn free BITS tokens. You can also take part in a major cryptocurrency event. Understand the schedule and participate actively. Check the airdrop calendar regularly. Complete tasks to earn rewards. Refer friends to maximize your earnings. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't miss the exciting BITS airdrop listing date. Season 1 ends on September 30th. Join now and take part. Don't miss out on this amazing giveaway. Claim your spot in the BITS ecosystem today. The BITS airdrop listing date is a key opportunity. It could lead to significant rewards and a thrilling cryptocurrency experience. I hope you guys liked the information. If you guys liked anything, stay tuned to the CryptoHook channel for more updates and tasks related to the token launch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the CryptoHook channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the BITS airdrop. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.